Kev, what style suits me best? This is a common question that I get asked almost every week, and I know that the thought may have simmered in your mind. So let's be clear about what I'm here to help you achieve. Many look at great orators and say, oh, I want to be like Mayor Pete. I want to speak like Trevor Noah. I want to speak like Ellen. I want to speak like Mohandas Gandhi. I want to speak like Steve Jobs. I want to speak like Tony Robbins. I want to speak like Imran Khan. I want to speak like Oprah. Friend, I've heard it all. At one point, I kept hearing from one client after another telling me, Kev, I want to speak like Obama. Heck, I want to be Obama. No, you don't. Even though it's undeniable that Obama is a great orator. But you really don't want to be Obama. In actual fact, you will never be Obama. Don't feel bad about it. If it makes you feel better, Obama can never be you either. The mistake many make is that they want to be like someone else. I worked with a famous cosmetic surgeon on an important presentation. Throughout our discussion, we touched on the subject of challenges. And boy, did he have a good one to share with me. He said, Kev, people come up to me and ask me to give them Angelina's lips, Kardashian's hips, and everything in between. I have to be the one that tells them, although a celebrity may have a certain shape of lips or a certain type of hips, it's right for them. It wouldn't necessarily be right for you. What he said rings true not only for plastic surgery, but also public speaking. Only because Bill Clinton paced and squeezed each word for impact doesn't mean that you need to. Only because Barack Obama spoke with a certain pace and tempo doesn't mean that you have to. Only because Gary Vee turned up in a hoodie and had his hand in his pockets while speaking doesn't mean that it will work for you. All three of these guys, amongst many others, are great at communicating with impact. Their style, ways, tempo, use of gestures are all great, and it works for them. Keyword, them. We're all different. You and I are different. You will have your own style and way about you. You must understand that you can't be anyone but yourself. So don't try to be anyone when it comes to speaking. Don't start a fight that you're sure to lose. The best you'll ever come to is to be like Obama. And being like someone isn't a compliment. You can't be better or beat someone at being them. And neither will they be at bettering or beating you. You can only become the best that you can be. And I'll tell you what will work. What will work is you learning through my proven process, developing your public speaking skill, and focusing on becoming a great version of you. Use the likes of Obama as inspiration, not imitation. Be you. Do you. Understand the ultimate goal, the end game. Everything that we are going to do is to get you to the highest point, to be the best version of yourself, to be authentic, to be genuine, to look and feel real, to become commanding, compelling, charismatic by getting you to your highest level, to become a really refined version of you, but still you. That, my friend, is the style that will suit you best.